Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to prepare my turkey for Christmas Day. I promised my daughter to cook turkey, so I marinate this turkey a day before the Christmas Day. So this is all the ingredients that I'm going to use to marinate my turkey. I have apple cider and thyme and rosemary and garlic. And this one is like 4 tablespoons of chicken powder. And I just put hot water on it and then let it cool down. Okay, but tomorrow, not tomorrow, to the Christmas Day, I will show you how I put spice on top of my turkey. What kind of spice I'm going to put on that bird. Anyway, I'm so tired. It's 11:30 already here. I haven't sit for even once yet since this morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. I've been well, running around. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, let's put this apple cider there. This is 1 gallon. Alright. This is heavy one. Yay! Swimming! Oops. So what I do, I poke that way have the liquid, it goes inside. That way your meat will not dry. I prepared this one on the bottom because that is a lot of meat. On the back, that's not that much meat. Because I marinate it right here a long time compare on the back. Alright, we cover it up with aluminum foil and then we put it in the fridge. Alright, let's check my turkey. I have a big bird here. Here's my turkey. Kind of heavy. Heavy and cold. Transfer it there. Okay, first we need to make some spice for my turkey. So this is all the spices that I'm going to mix it up. So first we're gonna do this first. I need some of this. Okay, let's start with paprika. You're gonna put 2 tablespoons of this. And 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. No, I mean 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Okay, the cumin too is just one half teaspoon. Nutmeg 1/2 teaspoon. And I have chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Cinnamon 1/2 teaspoon. And this oregano 1 tablespoon. And black pepper. I don't have a grind already, so I just estimating how much I need. It's supposed to be 1/2 teaspoon. It should be enough. And this is coriander 1/2 teaspoon. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is a light sauce or light sodium. Now I'll mix it up, all of this. So now let's start rubbing all the spice here. So I have these vegetables, comes with it. I just put black pepper on it. And salt. And paprika. paprika won't come out. This is my baking pan. I put oil on it, that way I don't have to wash it. Only the top. Anyway, put the vegetables all in the bottom. And now let's put the turkey in there. And then I put, remember this, the one I'm marinating? I put cider in the tummy. Some of this on the vegetables. Well, I already have some in there. And I put celery and green onions. And while you're doing this, I forgot to tell you, I'm sorry. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we'll bake this one. It depends how many pounds you have. This one is 13 pounds, so it says on the chart was 3 hours and a half. So it depends how big is your turkey is. So that's you need to check that out on Google. How long you have to cook your turkey. So this is 13 pounds, so I'm gonna bake this for 3.5 hours. Okie dokie. And then we'll cover this up with foil on top. That way it will not get burned up. So we need to put 2 cups of sauce, that the one that we use for marinade. That way the turkey will not get dry. So we just add right here somewhere. Oops. There you go. And move over that. And bake it. Okay everyone, here is my turkey. My turkey is done. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video. You can also share my video to your friends and family. Okay, we'll see you next time.